Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how you can use the new NSGlassEffectView along with NSGlassEffectContainerView in native macOS 26 with AppKit. So let's get started. So first let me show you guys the output. Here you can see this is the help of NSGlassEffectContainerView. So both of these are a part of NSGlassEffectContainerView. So yeah, let's look at the code. So here I have just created one custom view for our user info view. So basically this thing which you see, okay. So yeah, again I'm not going through the code, it's pretty basic. I have just taken one image view, one label and one another label, and we are doing some NS layout constraints. Similarly for activity view I have taken one image as well as one text field. Again we are doing the same thing over here, like just setting some text and assigning NS layout constraints. Then inside our view controller, I don't think this is required. Let me just quickly check. Okay, let me remove that because we are inside NS view controller, right? So we already have access to this particular view. So let's just wait. So yeah, I don't think that is required, sorry about that. So inside view did load, we just initialize both of our custom view. Then we use NSGlassEffectView. We as two NSGlassEffect views, so we have two custom views, so two NSGlassEffectView, and to the content view of our GlassEffectView we set the custom view. So same thing over here as well. Then we create NSStackView and we pass both of the stacks, and here you can see I have set the orientation as horizontal, alignment as center Y. Then here is our NSGlassEffectContainerView, and whatever is the stack data NSStackView, we just assign it to the content view of NSGlassEffectContainerView, and then we add the glass container to as a subview to our parent view. And here we, as you can see, we just set some NS layout constraints. So yeah, that's all there is to it. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Bye.